Evening, guys. Welcome to welcome to another action figure unboxing review here at the Avengers Rising channel. Today we are going to unbox and discuss the Star Wars Episode 1 Phantom Menace character called OOM-00M-9 with blaster and binocular. With blasters and binoculars. This is a battle droid commander who's yellow. He's got some yellow here on his chest plate and up here on his head. And as you can see, much like all other brands within the Star Wars Phantom Menace toy collection, these figures talk with CommTech chips in store. And warning, choking hazards, small parts, not for children under 3 years. Right you are. A generation before Star Wars A New Hope, in a galaxy far, far away, an evil force is gaining stealth and threatens an entire civilization. Two courageous Jedi, a young queen, a Gungan outcast, and a slave boy named Anakin band together to save a planet under attack as the fate of the galaxy hangs in the balance. Alright. I got my camera in a new phone holder to help make reading easier. 00M9 or OOM-9 as a commander droid for the Trade Federation Army. 00M9 strategically coordinates the fully automized droid army against the Naboo and Gungan combined forces. 00M9's CommTech chip lines are, "Yes, sir. Take them to Camp 4. My troops are in position to begin searching the swamps. They will not stay hidden for long." Yep, and here it is. Electronic CommTech reader, as shown here in this. And on the back, we've got Odie Mandrell with Pit Droid, Chancellor Valorum, Boss Nass, Coyote Monday, Captain Tarples, Mace Windu, along with 00M9 himself, and Gasgano and Pit Droid. Now we're going to unbox this thing. First, alright, now let the unboxing begin, folks. First up, wow, this chip for OOM-9. You can see the hardware chip that's implanted right here. God, that'd be scary. But hey, George Lucas and his company had it all figured out back then. And I take it it's really difficult to read the thing up close. Huh. Alright, now let's get this guy out. And here he is. It's been a while since I opened these things up. I used to own one figure like this before I got lazy and reckless and got rid of it. But now, here we are, once again, with the droid commander of the Trade Federation Army in place. And here's his binoculars. You can see the yellow up here on his rear fin heads the antenna on his back. And you've got the yellow dot on the middle of his skin, on his chest plate. Wait. You can pull his head up and push it down. Kind of fun. Yeah. Battle droids were real interesting. Man, much of that movie amazed me when I was so young. At age 7 and 8. Wow. Man, it had so much originality to it. Shame you don't get much originality anymore. Yeah. Back when there was real progression in Hollywood. There was so many new ideas and innovation of character creations and stuff. Man, and here you got his blaster gun. And here's the chest plate, here's the voice plate to stand him on. And boom. There you have it. OOM-9 for you, folks. I've got more action figures to unbox and open up soon. I'm the Avengers Rising, and if you enjoyed what you've seen in this video here, be sure to hit the like button at the bottom of my video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos that watch online as they come. Whether it's action figures to unbox and review, including more on movie news going on in Hollywood today. So take care, everybody, and good night. Guys, I like to end this video by providing you with tonight's sponsor to this handy phone holder that I just got from the mail at Amazon today. It is from the company called Lamicall. And this product is called the Gooseneck phone holder by Lamicall. It is a useful bendable phone holder that can be redirected and re-angled in particular directions for you to hold your phone and do some for resting purposes or for video purposes without having to worry. And you won't have to worry about you won't have to worry yourself into holding the phone in your hands or any less superior object anymore, as in any object that doesn't do a good well holding your phone. So now, and see, you can lift it up, bend it up, and yeah, turn this around, but be careful. This thing may be cool, but you do not want to mess around. And the clamps right here go as far as you can. The more you move this thing, the more you toggle this grip thing here in different directions. Now, I like to be sure to, and I'll be sure to have more products for you if you're interested. Well, good night, guys, and be sure to hit like on at the video below, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, The Avengers Rising, for more. Take care.